Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. To do that, roll your cursor over the taskbar and right-click on it. Then select Task Manager, then select this icon over here and go down to the GPU and select it. And as you can see, here we have the name of our graphics card. You can as well check your CPU over here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.